Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the streaming quality on your EUFY S350 indoor cam. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our EUFY app, and then we're going to select our connected device, and then we're going to click on the three dots and then the gear icon to open up settings, and then we're going to scroll down to the video settings tab and click on it. And they're going to select streaming quality, and here you have all of the options of streaming. So you can do either auto, which will adjust the image quality like depending on your network quality, and here you also have ultra 4K, 2K HD, full HD, HD, so 720p, and you can select any of these options, so whichever one you want. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.